you to do something. Ready?
Okay, go.
Stretch out like this.
Dive.
Put the barbells out here. Ready? No. Face the steps. You're going to go to the steps.
Funny thing is, I can't see you. I don't know. I can't see.
Did you get it?
Sure, go over there and jump in.
Over here?
No, over by the 6'6" Oh, no, over here. Come on around. Will, come. Luke, will you show her where to stand? Right there, perfect. Right there, Willow. Woohoo! Your turn. Go, Will.
I can stand right here.
Great job. Good job, Luke.
Good job, Luke.
Yeah, you both did great. Okay. It's on both of you. Okay, go, Willow.